Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to set length limit for text-rich field in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. So this is my Lightning org, and here we are learn how to set the length limit for the text-rich field type in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon we can see that two options are present. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see that two tabs are present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. Click on the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open, and under this object manager page lots of objects are present, but we want to select the product object. So enter the product in the search box and the product object comes at the top. Click on this product object. Our product object page is open, and under this page we can see that the detail related to the product, and on the left side we can see that there is a field and relationship option. Click on this option. Our product fields and relationship page is open, and under this page we can see that the fields related to the product are present, and we want to add it the product description field. So click on this product description field. The product description page is open. Now we can edit this field to set the limit length for the product description field. So click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit button, our product description field is come into the edit mode, and we can edit anything we want. Now scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see the length. We want to set the length as a 300 for this field. So we enter the length as 300 and click on the save button. When we click on the save button, the pop-up message is seen. In this message, we can see that if you shorten the length of this field, the number of characters in one or more of the fields record might exceed the new length. No data will be lost from these records. The user will able to edit and save the record that exceed the length by lowering the number of characters in the field to less than the new length. Read the message carefully and then click on the scan existing records. After clicking on the scan existing record, our result of scan dialog box is open, and here we can see that the message is written. This object contains no record with more than 300 characters in this field. The new records created during the scan are not included in the result. Now click on OK button, and after clicking on the OK button, we want to click on save to set the limit length to 300. After clicking on the save button, we come back to our field and relationship page, and here we can see that the product description page field. So click on this field, and under this field we can see that there is a rich tab area option, and under this section we can see that our length limit is set to the 300. Now click on the app launcher. This is my app launcher. Click on that, and under this app launcher enter the sales and click on the sales option. Our sales page is open, and under the sales page we can see that the objects are present on the nav bar. Now we click on the more drop down arrow, and we want to select the product object. So search the product object. Where is the product object? Now click on the product object. Our product record page is open. Now we want to create the new record, so click on the new button. Now enter the information related to the product. Here we are entering the product name as a Salesforce project, and then our product website is automatically filled. Now select the time, and here we are selecting this time, and now this time enter the product description, which is a rich text field, and here we are entering the description as the introducing our sleek 15 laptop. After entering the product description, which is set as a length limit 300, and click on the save button. After saving the record is present under the product record page. Click on the Salesforce project record, and the page will be open, and under this page we can see that the detail related to the Salesforce project. We can see the detail related to the Salesforce project record when we click on the detail option, and under this detail page we can see that the product description field and the description related to the product is written here. So let's move ahead and discuss about how to set the length limit for the text-rich field in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly move to our Classic version. So click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture, there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on that. Our Salesforce Classic version is open, and here we can see that there is a username present. Click on the drop down arrow of the username and click on the setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this page we can see that on the left side there is a quick find box. Enter the opportunity object and scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see that the fields are present under the opportunity object. Click on this field option. The opportunity fields page is open, and now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see that the opportunity custom fields and relationship section is present, and here we can see lots of fields are present, but we want to create the new field, so click on the new button. The opportunity new custom field page is open. Now here we can choose the field type, and here we are choosing the field type as the text area rich field type, and which allow the user to enter the formatted text, and click on the next button. The opportunity new custom field page is open. Now enter the detail related to the opportunity object, and here we are entering the field label as opportunity notes, and after that we want to set the length, and here we are setting the length limit as a 500, and then we can see that the visible line are set to the 25, and after that we enter the field name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the field name field and then click on the next button. After entering the details, now I establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if we do not add it to the field level security. So we want to add the profiles to the field level security. So we click on the visible checkbox and then click on the next button. After that, we want to add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should be include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layout, and click on the save button. And we come back to our opportunity fields page. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Our opportunity custom fields and relationship section are present under the opportunity field page. Now scroll to the bottom, and here we can see the opportunity node field with a rich text field type are present under this field. So with this we have learned how to set the length limit for the text rich field type in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.